Okay guys, check this out. I'm going to show you how you can make money playing video games. That's right, this isn't testing games, nor does it have anything to do with YouTube or Twitch. This is a completely legitimate way for you to make money online playing games. And the best part about it is you set your own price. Let's get into this video so I can show you exactly how it's done. But before we get started guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can get alerted and stay up to date whenever I post new videos. And also don't forget to smash that like button and if any point in this video you find it useful. Okay, let's not waste any more time and jump straight into the video. So here we are on eBay and I want to show you something. Check out the seller ad. This is for a Call of Duty gun. More specifically, it's for a Call of Duty gun skin. See, people are paying this person for a gun skin. This seller is charging $16 to play on other people's game accounts and acquire this gun skin for them. This seller has over 700 sales. Doing some quick math, this seller has made over $11,000 just helping people get a gun skin. I mean, really let that sink in for a minute. Let's check out this Borderlands 3 ad. This person is charging $6 for Borderlands 3 guns. This seller has over 50 sales, which means they made $300 just for playing and finding guns and trading them with other people. Here, let me share with you one more just so I can really drive this home. This seller is logging into people's Destiny 2 accounts and getting this recluse gun for them. They are charging $45 and has made 300 sales. Guys, that's $14,000 this seller has made. All this person is doing is logging into somebody else's gaming account and playing their games for them. I hope you see how powerful this is and the potential it has. People who don't have the skill or the time to acquire certain in-game items are paying other people to do it for them. And as you can see, these sellers are making bank. So how do you get started? The first thing I would do is go through eBay and see what games people are providing services for. I showed you some of the more popular ones, but I'm pretty sure you can find other games if none of these games are of your taste. Now, if you don't have an eBay account, you'll need to set up an eBay seller account. After you set up a seller account, next you'll want to go through to these seller profiles and see how they are providing their services and just emulate it. Okay? The one thing I will add is that for your protection, if you are playing on someone else's account and you acquire whatever item they paid for, take a few screenshots of the item and their account name. That way you have proof just in case they try any funny business. Now, if you're not comfortable with eBay or playing on other people's accounts, your alternative is to come to Fiverr.com. This is a freelancing site. And here, if you click on lifestyle and then click on gaming, you can see there's a whole section dedicated to freelancers teaching gamers how to play and get good at certain games, provide in-game items or achievements, server setups, etc. As you can see, as I scroll down, some of these freelancers are really making money. And again, it's all from playing games. To get involved, you'll have to set up a Fiverr account. After you set up a Fiverr account, you'll want to do the same thing you did with eBay, and that's scope out some of these other freelancers and see how they are setting up their gigs, and you want to emulate how they set up theirs. And this is how you basically get started making money just from playing games. Gaming is at an all-time high and widely accepted worldwide. So, why not capitalize on it and make a good source of side income for yourself? Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.